What's up? Swell Mell here. So a little update. The Forerunner is all packed. As you can see, snowboard's packed. Got a bed to sleep on, snowboard boots, and some food. Your girl and her homegirl are going to be doing a spontaneous RAD trip to LA. Nicole and I are going to be seeing surfaces, which I'm so excited about. The next morning we are going to be waking up super early, probably be somewhere in the national forest. What is it? Angeles Crest Highway. We could get to Mt.High from there. So we're going to be snowboarding at Mt.High tomorrow morning. This is the way to do it. I think it's possible to travel and still save money and have fun. Stoked to have you guys join me again and show you how us girls in California do it. So stay tuned. Keep life swell. We're in Santa Monica and we're gonna go to Goodwill, and there's a huge REI right here, so we might go to that afterwards.
We're wasting a lot of time just looking at you.
Yeah.
We can play with that.
So we're stoked. Hopefully we find some Kustia.
Yeah, we will. We always do.
Yeah. Peace. I'm so stoked on this. It's like Britney Spears and country. Yeah.
Some red boots. Some red boots.
Font of
yeah.
awesomeness.
Who do you work for?
Awesomeness.
We in LA.
We in LA. It's very scary. That's for sure.
Definitely a whole nother world than what we're used to.
Yeah. You the best.
But it really doesn't matter what happens to us. It doesn't matter what happens circumstantially to us, because we know at the end of the day there's a light at the end of the tunnel. It's all gonna be okay. We got any Graces in the house? Yeah, I know we got one right here. Oh, Grace, every time you
I can't believe this is actually happening. We are on a super sick meal right now in LA. But Nicole, oh, 92 humidity. What's up, Mac? Macky Mac. R.I.P. legend. Out there making dreams come true. This is how we girls do it. Sleep in the back, stay warm, wake up early, go shred. You. Look at our view this morning. Look at that moon. We are just literally waking up. But it actually really feels nice. Not cold, not too warm. It's a forerunner. Chilling. Look at this. Good morning. Woohoo.
Ryan Little.
This is happening. Okay, count 3. 1, 2, 3. Nicole, you ready?
Yes.
You ready to shred?
I'm ready to shred.
You want to go faster? Toes down. You want to go slower? Toes up. So it's like you're letting off the gas. It's usually that part that's the hardest to go. There you go. Yoga. So look at your forward arm. There you go. Good job. She's natural. Nicole snowboarding. Oh, there's a gym right here. camera. Glasses off and everything.